The Justice Department is probing the company after Elon Musk's going private tweet. Judge Napolitano is here. Criminal prosecution, Al Banner said. That sounds serious, is it?
It sounds serious, but I don't think it is. The reason I don't think it is because the Justice Department sent a letter asking for a voluntary submission of documents. Now, when the DOJ is really after you, they don't send you a letter asking for your cooperation. They show up with a search warrant and they take your files. But I'll tell you what they're looking for. They're looking for evidence of private communications that Elon Musk engaged in with his colleagues before that tweet to determine whether or not the tweet was serious, whether it was a joke, whether it was fraudulent, whether it was intended to suppress the short sellers, whatever the purpose of it was. And is any of those purposes criminal? If it's a material misrepresentation intended to induce reliance, to benefit him and harm others, that's the definition of fraud.
The bottom line is, was that tweet an opportunity or an attempt to manipulate the stock price?
Yes, well,
to affect the stock
price. That's the SEC investigation.
And if he did that, if they show that, yes, he tried to manipulate the stock price, that's illegal. Is that criminal?
No. That's only criminal if he cashed in on it. It's illegal under the SEC requirement. So he's got two investigations. SEC, did he unlawfully manipulate the stock price by making this statement that people apparently relied on? And DOJ, did he commit fraud? Did he harm people or benefit himself?
Well, there's sure to be civil lawsuits, aren't there, from shareholders who were damaged by the going private tweet.
The government will not be involved in those.
I got to tell you, Judge, I can't understand, with all these investigations and the word criminal inserted there, the stock price is still just under $300 a share.
You and I were right here when that tweet came out, and we both predicted this is bad news for him unless that 80 or 82 billion, which is what it would have been at 420 a share, is sitting in a shoebox or a bank account somewhere. It took him 2 weeks to say, I think it's the Saudi sovereign fund, and by then the stock price had gone down.
Is he a special case? Is he getting special treatment in some way or other that I don't know about?
Do you know there is the appearance of that? You know, this guy does work with the government. You do work with the government and then go on national television consuming a controlled, dangerous substance, in this case marijuana, which is lawful in some parts of the country, but is unlawful in all parts of the country, meaning it's still against federal law. That could trigger a serious federal criminal investigation and the abrogation of your contract with the government. It hasn't happened. What is it about him that people give him all these breaks?
He gets a lot of breaks, and that's a fact.
Yes.
You get a lot of taxpayer money as well. That's a fact.
Yes,
too.
That's correct also. Yes.
You're not a fan, are you? No, you're not.
I'm a fan of uniform enforcement of laws. Now, most laws shouldn't be on the books, but the ones that involve fraud as a form of assault, those things should be enforced.
Well said, young man. Well said. Thank you, Judge.
See you later.